Gasha Educational Complex, where dreams become reality. We are pleased to introduce you to the modern campus of Gasha Educational Complex, a purpose-built educational environment designed according to the latest architectural and engineering standards. We will also provide an overview of our educational approach and learning environment. The Gasha Educational Complex campus is built on a spacious site and consists of 5 floors. 3 floors are dedicated to classrooms serving kindergarten, primary and secondary education, from grade 7 through grade 12. Male and female students study in separate learning environments. In addition, the campus features fully equipped laboratories for physics, chemistry, biology, general science, computer science, and fine arts, providing students across all grade levels with hands-on practical learning experiences. The school is strategically located in one of the 11th and most pleasant areas of Sulimnya, offering students a peaceful and inspiring atmosphere that supports both learning and personal well-being. Surrounding the buildings is a beautifully landscaped green area for more than 1,000 square meters, creating a calm, refreshing environment that enhances students' comfort and academic focus. To provide an engaging and technology-driven learning experience, every classroom is equipped with interactive smart boards, modern air conditioning, and heating system. Our teachers deliver lessons using teaching methods that encourage creativity, participation, and academic excellence. Another floor of the building is dedicated to a large modern cafeteria supervised by a qualified nutrition specialist. Meals are carefully planned according to students' age groups to ensure balanced and healthy nutrition. From grade 7 onward, the cafeteria is divided into separate sections for male and female students.